Heavily bespoke cars like the Celestial help Rolls-Royce showcase the extravagant options available to customers. One such extra is the Rolls-Royce picnic hamper.
What is this exactly for material?
You have the upholstery leather from the car on the inside, which has got this accurate sort of reflection, as I say, of the inky quality. And then you've got the more robust, hard-wearing saddle leather on the exterior.
Keeping with the night sky theme, the hamper's plates are decorated with constellations, hand-painted in platinum.
You get that variation.
How much does the hamper cost?
The picnic hamper, the base price of it around about £20,000. Most of the people just want to have it as an accessory which comes with the car. You can use it from the functionality and from the quality. It's definitely something you can do, but it's more to complete the Rolls-Royce lifestyle.
So do you think some people that buy the hamper won't actually ever use it?
Yeah, that's very likely.